How do I look? Asking me won't help you.
Rate my muscles, little buddy.
Your muscles left the chat.
Fresh cut. What do you think?
I was...
Looks like you cut it yourself in the dark.
Should I change my attitude?
Change your brain first.
Nice handcuffs, right?
Perfect for arresting your bad fashion sense. Be honest. Am I handsome? Handsome? Maybe, from far away.
Who taught you all this?
Your ex, wonderful teacher.
How's my form?
You look like a broken lawn chair.
Be honest. Do I look expensive?
Yes!
At least my badge looks cool. Cool? Anything else to say?
Yes, start cleaning.